What if I told you that you could simply miss your boring 9-to-5 goodbye and embark on a journey towards financial independence? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, get ready to challenge your beliefs because we're about to unveil the secrets that could change your life forever. 1. E-commerce empire. Picture this, running a thriving online business from the comfort of your own home. Our first method to make money online is by creating your very own e-commerce empire. With platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce, it has never been easier to set up your online store and start selling products to a global audience. You can source products from wholesalers or even consider drop shipping, where you don't need to hold inventory yourself. With effective marketing strategies, social media presence, and search engine optimization, your online store can attract customers from around the world, ensuring a steady stream of income. 2. Freelancing frenzy. If you possess a marketable skill or talent, our next method might be perfect for you. Enter the world of freelancing. Whether you're a graphic designer, writer, programmer, or even a virtual assistant, platforms like Upwork and Freelancer offer a wealth of opportunities to earn a substantial income while working on projects that excite you. Freelancing allows you to be your own boss, set your own rates, and work on projects that align with your expertise and interests. The flexibility of freelancing enables you to choose when and where you work, giving you the freedom to travel the world while making money online. Don't miss out other opportunities. Hit the subscribe button. 3. Affiliate marketing magic. Have you ever dreamt of making money while you sleep? Well, with affiliate marketing, that dream can become a reality. Our third method, affiliate marketing, involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for every sale you generate. It's like being a digital salesperson, but with the potential to reach a global audience. Affiliate marketing offers endless possibilities, with numerous affiliate programs available across different niches. By leveraging your online presence through a website, blog, or social media platforms, you can share valuable content and product recommendations, enticing your audience to make a purchase through your affiliate links. 4. Content creation cash flow. In the age of digital media, content is king. If you have a passion for creating engaging videos, writing informative blog posts, or hosting a podcast, you can turn your passion into profit. Content creation not only allows you to express your creativity, but also opens doors to various monetization opportunities. Platforms like YouTube, Twitch, and Patreon enable content creators to monetize their work through ad revenue, sponsorships, brand collaborations, and even crowdfunding from loyal fans. By consistently delivering high-quality and valuable content, you can grow your audience and generate a sustainable income online. 5. Online coaching and courses. Are you an expert in a particular field or possess specialized knowledge? If so, online coaching and course creation might be the perfect avenue for you to share your expertise while earning a significant income. The demand for online education has skyrocketed in recent years, and people are actively seeking knowledge and guidance from professionals like you. Through platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Coursera, you can create and sell online courses on topics ranging from business and personal development to art and music. Additionally, you can offer one-on-one coaching sessions or group mentoring programs, providing personalized guidance to individuals or aspiring professionals. 6. Stock market mastery. The stock market, often perceived as a complex and intimidating realm, can actually be a lucrative method of making money online if you have the right knowledge and strategies. Stock market investing allows you to leverage the power of compound interest and potentially generate substantial returns on your investments. With online brokerage platforms like Robinhood and E-Trade, you can easily buy and sell stocks, bonds, and other investment vehicles. It's essential to educate yourself about market trends, fundamental analysis, and risk management to make informed investment decisions. Remember, patience and a long-term perspective are key to success in the stock market. 7. Digital real estate. Imagine owning virtual properties that generate passive income. Welcome to the world of digital real estate. Just like physical real estate, digital real estate involves buying and selling virtual assets like websites, domain names, and online businesses. You can build and monetize websites through various methods, such as affiliate marketing, display advertising, sponsored content, and even selling products or services. Alternatively, you can invest in existing websites or domain names with potential and improve their value before selling them for a profit. 8. Social media influencing. In the age of social media dominance, influencers have emerged as powerful figures who can influence trends and consumer behavior. If you have a significant following on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or Twitter, you can leverage your influence to collaborate with brands and earn money through sponsored posts and partnerships. By creating compelling and authentic content that resonates with your audience, you can attract brand collaborations and sponsorships. The key is to build a genuine connection with your followers and establish yourself as an expert or trendsetter in your niche. 9. Virtual stock trading. If you're interested in the stock market but hesitant to risk your hard-earned money, virtual stock trading can be an excellent way to learn and practice without any financial repercussions. Virtual stock trading simulators, such as Investopedia's Stock Simulator, allow you to trade with virtual money using real-time market data. By participating in virtual stock trading, you can sharpen your trading skills, test different investment strategies, and gain confidence before entering the real market. It's a risk-free environment where you can make mistakes and learn valuable lessons without incurring any financial losses. 10. Cryptocurrency craze. Last, but certainly not least, we have the cryptocurrency craze. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others have gained immense popularity and have become a viable method of making money online. However, it's important to note that investing in cryptocurrencies carries a level of risk, and thorough research is essential. Cryptocurrencies operate on blockchain technology, offering decentralized and secure transactions. You can invest in cryptocurrencies by purchasing them on cryptocurrency exchanges and holding them for potential price appreciation. Additionally, you can explore other opportunities in the crypto space, such as staking, lending, and participating in initial coin offerings, ICOs. And there you have it, the top 10 ways to make money online. From building your e-commerce empire to becoming a social media influencer, the digital world is brimming with opportunities for those willing to seize them. Smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and until next time, stay motivated and keep hustling. So, which method resonates with you the most?